Let's make flowers out of post-it notes. I will use a pink post-it note. Fold the post-it note diagonally. Then, fold the triangle in half. Fold it in half once more. Open it again, and cut one of the segments out, using scissors. Fold the post-it note again. We will use the piece we have cut out as a template. Fold it in half. Give it a round shape on top, forming a petal. Check the petal shape, and if you are happy with it, use it as a template. Place it over the folded post-it note, and draw a line around it. Cut alongside the line. Unfold the post-it note. Glue the petals near the gap together. Reshape the petals as needed. To make the center of the flower, fold another post-it note, close to the edge. Cut alongside the edge of the paper. Then, cut through the paper, but be careful not to cut all the way through. Keep cutting through the paper, until you reach the other end of the folded paper. Apply glue to the bottom of the paper strip, and roll it up. Glue this to the center of the pink flower. Make as many flowers as needed. You can use these flowers as a part of table centerpieces. You could place them around your wedding cake. Or, you could incorporate them into a wedding ceremony arch.